Have you ever wondered why some transmissions last 250,000 miles while others fail before 100,000? The truth is, most transmission failures do not happen because of bad luck. They happen because of daily habits that slowly destroy the internal gears, clutches, seals, and fluid without the driver even realizing it. And the worst part is, transmission repairs are some of the most expensive repairs you can face. Replacing a transmission can cost anywhere from $1,200 to over $6,000 depending on the car. Today, we are going to reveal the most common habits that lead to premature transmission failure, and some of them are things millions of drivers do every single day. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Ignoring transmission fluid. The first bad habit is ignoring transmission fluid changes. Transmission fluid is not just oil. It cools the transmission, lubricates moving parts, creates hydraulic pressure, and helps gears shift smoothly. Over time, this fluid becomes dirty, burnt, and contaminated with metal particles. When that happens, the transmission starts overheating, shifting roughly, and wearing out internally. Many drivers never change the fluid because they think the transmission is sealed for life. But that is one of the biggest myths in the car world. Most mechanics recommend checking the fluid regularly and replacing it according to the manufacturer's schedule. Dirty fluid is one of the leading causes of premature transmission failure. Mistake number 2. Shifting from reverse to drive too quickly. One of the worst habits drivers have is shifting from reverse to drive before the vehicle has completely stopped moving. For example, many people back out of a parking space and instantly shift into drive while the car is still rolling backward. This may seem harmless because the car still moves normally, but internally it puts a huge amount of stress on the gears, clutch packs, and transmission bands. The transmission is being forced to instantly change direction while the wheels are still moving the other way. Eventually, you may notice hard shifts, delayed engagement, or a clunking noise when changing gears. Always let the vehicle come to a complete stop before shifting between reverse and drive. Mistake number 3. Accelerating hard when the car is cold. Most drivers know they should let the engine warm up slightly before driving hard, but very few people think about the transmission. Transmission fluid becomes thicker in cold weather, which means it does not circulate as easily during the first few minutes of driving. If you immediately start flooring the accelerator, revving high, or driving aggressively while the transmission is still cold, this creates extra wear on gears, bearings, and clutch materials. That is why some cars shift harder or feel sluggish during the first few minutes after starting. A smarter habit is to drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes, especially during winter. This allows the transmission fluid to warm up and flow properly. Mistake number 4. Resting your hand on the gear shifter. This habit is very common in manual cars, but some automatic drivers do it too. Many people rest their hand on the gear shifter while driving because it feels comfortable. The problem is that even light pressure on the shifter can put extra stress on internal shift forks and selector components. Over time, this added pressure can lead to premature wear inside the transmission. Even slight pressure can cause the clutch to partially engage, creating unnecessary friction and wear. Your hands should stay on the steering wheel unless you are actively shifting gears. Mistake number 5. Ignoring small transmission leaks. A tiny transmission leak may not seem like a big deal at first. The car still drives normally, shifts fine, and there may only be a few drops of fluid on the ground. But transmission fluid leaks never get better on their own. They always get worse with time. As the fluid level drops, the transmission loses lubrication and cooling. This causes overheating, slipping, rough shifting, and eventually serious internal damage. Transmission fluid is usually red, pink, or dark brown. If you ever notice colored fluid underneath your vehicle, it is important to find the source immediately. Fixing a small seal leak early could cost very little. Waiting too long could turn a minor repair into a complete transmission replacement. Mistake number 6. Ignoring early warning signs. Transmissions almost always give warning signs before they fail completely. The problem is that many drivers ignore these signs because the car still moves. If your transmission slips between gears, jerks during shifts, hesitates before moving, makes whining noises, or causes the check engine light to come on, those are all signs of trouble. Catching these problems early can save you thousands of dollars. Sometimes the issue is as simple as low fluid. But if you ignore the symptoms for months, the damage can spread to expensive internal parts. The earlier you diagnose a transmission problem, the cheaper it usually is to fix. The bottom line is that transmissions usually do not fail overnight. They fail because of years of bad habits, poor maintenance, overheating, and ignored warning signs. If you avoid these habits and take care of your transmission, there is no reason it cannot last 200,000 miles or more.